Hi, and welcome to our overview of Validator AI. Thanks for your interest in this helpful tool for startup founders and entrepreneurs. As an AI review, I can tell you this is a really cool service that's making waves in the startup community. Validator AI is straightforward. It's an AI-powered platform that helps you test and improve your business ideas. Think of it as having a startup mentor right in your pocket, available whenever you need guidance. The main features are pretty exciting. You can input your business idea, and the AI analyzes it from multiple angles: market potential, customer base, competition, and more. It's really thorough. The platform creates a personalized startup roadmap, which is super helpful for keeping you on track. One of the best parts is the AI Mentor chatbot. You can ask questions anytime and get specific advice about your business idea. Whether you're wondering about pricing strategies or marketing approaches, it's there to help you out. What's also great is how it handles the technical stuff. You don't need any special knowledge. It breaks down complex business concepts into clear, actionable advice. Plus, it looks at legal considerations and financial aspects of your idea, which can save you a lot of headaches down the road. We're seeing lots of first-time entrepreneurs using this tool to validate their ideas before investing time and money. Students are finding it helpful for business projects too. The feedback has been really positive, with users saying it's helped them spot potential problems early and refine their business plans. If you'd like to learn more about Validator AI, head over to jimcarter.me and search for Validator AI. You'll find all the details about getting started and making the most of this helpful tool. Thanks for checking out our overview.